Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of battery terminals, those small yet crucial components that ensure your vehicle's electrical system runs smoothly. Whether you're upgrading your existing terminals or replacing worn-out ones, choosing the right battery terminals is essential for maintaining optimal performance and reliability. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to make the right choice. But fear not, we've done the research for you. We've handpicked 5 of the best battery terminals on the market and put them to the test. Stick around as we explore their features, benefits, and usability to help you find the perfect terminals for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Moroso Multi-Power Battery Terminal Distribution Blocks. Kicking off our list is the Moroso Multi-Power Battery Terminal Distribution Blocks, designed for maximum power distribution and connectivity. Key features. These distribution blocks feature heavy-duty construction and high-quality materials to ensure optimal conductivity and durability. With multiple power outputs, they allow you to easily connect multiple accessories to your battery without the need for additional terminals or wiring. Benefits and usage. Moroso Multi-Power Battery Terminal Distribution Blocks offer versatile power distribution solutions for vehicles with multiple electrical accessories, such as aftermarket audio systems, lighting setups, and winches. Their compact size and easy installation make them suitable for a wide range of applications, from daily drivers to off-road vehicles. Usability. With their user-friendly design and straightforward installation process, Moroso distribution blocks are suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional installers. Simply attach them to your battery terminals using the included hardware, and you're ready to power up your accessories with ease. Durability. Built to withstand the rigors of automotive use, Moroso distribution blocks are engineered to provide long-lasting performance and reliability, ensuring uninterrupted power distribution for your vehicle's electrical system. In the second spot, we have Pico Tubular Lug Ring Connectors 4439KT. Next on our list is the Pico Tubular Lug Ring Connectors 4439KT, precision-engineered terminals designed for secure and reliable electrical connections. Key features. These ring connectors feature a tubular design with a flared end, providing a tight and secure fit around the battery terminal post. Their high-conductivity copper construction ensures maximum electrical conductivity and minimal resistance, allowing for efficient power transfer. Benefits and usage. Pico Tubular Lug Ring Connectors offer a reliable solution for connecting heavy-gauge cables to your battery terminals, ensuring stable and efficient power delivery to your vehicle's electrical system. Their durable construction and corrosion-resistant finish make them suitable for use in a variety of automotive applications. Usability. With their simple and straightforward design, Pico Tubular Lug Ring Connectors are easy to install and require no special tools or expertise. Simply crimp them onto your cable ends, slide them onto the battery terminal posts, and tighten the securing nuts for a secure and reliable connection. Durability. Crafted from high-quality materials and built to rigorous quality standards, Pico Tubular Lug Ring Connectors are designed to withstand the demands of automotive use, providing reliable performance and durability for years to come. Coming in at number 3 is the XS Power Battery Terminal Adapters 580. Moving along, we have the XS Power Battery Terminal Adapters 580, versatile adapters designed to accommodate a wide range of cable sizes and terminal types. Key features. These adapters feature a universal design that allows them to fit most standard battery terminals, including top post and side post terminals. Their durable construction and corrosion-resistant finish ensure long-lasting performance and reliability in any environment. Benefits and usage. XS Power Battery Terminal Adapters offer a convenient solution for adapting your battery terminals to accommodate different cable sizes and terminal types, allowing for easy installation of aftermarket accessories or custom wiring setups. Their compact size and lightweight design make them ideal for use in tight spaces or confined engine compartments. Usability. With their easy-to-use design and universal fitment, XS Power Battery Terminal Adapters are suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional installers. Simply attach them to your existing battery terminals using the included hardware, and you're ready to connect your cables with ease. Durability. Constructed from high-quality materials and engineered for durability, XS power battery terminal adapters are built to withstand the rigors of automotive use, providing reliable performance and longevity in any application. Taking our fourth spot is All-Star Performance Gold Battery Terminals All7120. Next up, we have the All-Star Performance Gold Battery Terminals All76120, premium terminals crafted from high-quality materials for maximum conductivity and corrosion resistance. Key features. These terminals feature a gold-plated brass construction, which offers superior conductivity and corrosion resistance compared to traditional lead or zinc terminals. Their compact design and low-profile shape make them ideal for use in tight engine compartments or confined spaces. Benefits and usage. All-Star Performance Gold Battery Terminals provide a reliable and secure connection for your vehicle's electrical system, ensuring maximum power transfer and performance. Their gold-plated finish not only enhances conductivity, but also adds a touch of style to your engine bay. Usability. With their straightforward design and universal fitment, All-Star Performance Gold Battery Terminals are easy to install and require no special tools or expertise. Simply attach them to your battery terminals using the included hardware, and you're ready to enjoy reliable power delivery to your vehicle's electrical system. Durability. Crafted from high-quality materials and built to rigorous quality standards, All-Star Performance Gold Battery Terminals are designed to withstand the demands of automotive use, providing reliable performance and durability for years to come. And finally, at number 5, we have Painless Performance Remote Battery Junction Terminal Kits 40106. Last but certainly not least, we have the Painless Performance Remote Battery Junction Terminal Kits 40106, comprehensive kits designed to simplify electrical connections and distribution in your vehicle. Key features. These kits include everything you need to create a remote battery junction terminal, allowing you to relocate your battery and clean up your engine bay for a sleek and organized appearance. Their heavy-duty construction and high-quality components ensure reliable performance and durability in any application. Benefits and usage. Painless Performance Remote Battery Junction Terminal Kits offer a convenient solution for routing battery cables and distributing power throughout your vehicle, making them ideal for custom wiring setups or race car applications. Their modular design allows for easy customization and expansion to suit your specific needs. Usability. With their comprehensive instructions and straightforward installation process, Painless Performance Remote Battery Junction Terminal Kits are suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional installers. Simply follow the step-by-step guide to route your battery cables, connect the terminals, and secure everything in place for a clean and organized electrical system. Durability. Engineered for performance and built to last, Painless Performance Remote Battery Junction Terminal Kits are designed to withstand the rigors of automotive use, providing reliable power distribution and connectivity for years to come. And there you have it, our top picks for the best battery terminals on the market. Whether you're looking for maximum power distribution, reliable electrical connections, or a sleek and organized appearance, these terminals have you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and product reviews. Until next time, happy wiring!